Bro, Junkopus, what is going on? Is your drone dead? Relax. Simply buy yourself a new one online. But remember, if you buy your drone online from a foreign vendor, make sure to also simply pay the ARF on top. Simply send an SMS with ARF to 488. It only costs 5 Swiss francs. Where do you live? You don't simply throw the old drone in the rubbish, just so you know. Such a drone contains many valuable raw materials, including iron and aluminium. You can take these appliances back to any shop where you can also buy them, or you can take them to a SENS collection point. There are more than 600 such collection points, and you can also take an appliance back to any household or electrical shop. Take a look at recyclingmap.ch, where you can find a collection point near you. Fair recycling couldn't be easier. Hey, I wish all of you a fair Christmas with SENS eRecycling.